Good morning and welcome to the Ocean Lakes Elementary School Waverider News. I'm Carly.
And I'm Zoe. Today is Monday, January 10th, 2022. It is the 75th day of school.
Today is National Clean Your Desk Day. Aside from the obvious health benefits of cleaning your desk, keeping a clean desk can help you stay organized and on task. You'll get more done and feel better at the same time. To learn more, visit nationaltoday.com.
Attention 5th graders who are members of the Battle of the Books teams. We will meet during lunch tomorrow in the library. Be sure to bring your books and lunch.
Attention STEM 3D Printing Club members. STEM 3D Printing Club will meet today in room 13. Again, STEM 3D Printing Club will meet today in room 13.
Here are today's birthdays. Happy birthday today to Bryson T. from Miss Volrath's class and Daniel M. from Miss Sabine's class. We hope you have a great birthday.
Here are today's lunch choices. Yogurt with 2 grains, meatball grinder, primo cheese pizza, pork barbecue on a bun, grape PB&J, or strawberry PB&J.
Now it's time for the weather with Paige.
Currently under mostly cloudy and breezy skies, the temperature is 44 degrees Fahrenheit. The barometric pressure is 1,022.1 millibars and rising. Winds are coming from the northwest at 22 miles per hour with gusts up to 26 miles per hour. The humidity this morning is 58%. Over the weekend, we have received just over 0.3 of an inch of rain at Ocean Lakes. The National Weather Service forecast calls for decreasing clouds, but still breezy and cool. Today's high temperatures will be 44 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight's low temperature will be 24 degrees Fahrenheit. The 4-day outlook calls for sunny skies tomorrow and Wednesday, then partly sunny on Thursday. Sunny skies return on Friday. High temperatures will be in the mid-30s tomorrow, then in the mid to upper 40s for the remainder of the week. That's all for today's weather. Now back to Carly and Zoe.
Thanks, Paige. Those are all the announcements for today. I'm Carly.
And I'm Zoe.
Have a marvelous Monday.